Hey, what's up? This is Jonas Nielsen, and in this video I'm going to show you how to properly track your traffic campaigns with a tool called ClickMagick. This is one of the essential tools of any internet marketer or affiliate marketer because it allows you to split test pages, it allows you to track your traffic. How big is your opt-in rate? It also filters out any bad traffic. So when you buy traffic from different, whether that be solo ad sellers or traffic agencies or anywhere online, then you will want to be able to make sure that you're getting the good traffic and you're getting rid of the bad sources, okay? So a lot of people will sell fake clicks if you don't know where to look, and ClickMagick can filter out and identify bad clicks, bots. It can give you traffic, a score. It can do a lot of things, and basically what this whole tool boils down to is that it protects you when it comes to buying traffic online. Now, of course, we will recommend some traffic sources, so you don't have to be afraid of buying traffic from wrong places, but you still want a tracking tool like ClickMagick for the sole purpose of tracking each source. So say if you buy traffic from traffic guy number 1, you want to know exactly how many people become a lead from that source of traffic, so you can see how good that traffic source is. And again, if you buy from traffic guy number 2, you want to see how good that traffic is, and so you can compare with using ClickMagick's features, which I will show you in a bit. And also, as an added bonus, when you do email marketing and when you send out emails, it's important to use ClickMagick links, because some email platforms will mark emails as spam if you put in links to affiliate offers. So you know, the major affiliate networks like JVSU, ClickBank, Warrior Plus, and the popular affiliate networks, they will most likely mark your emails as spam if you just put links in your emails like so. But if you use ClickMagick to cover those links, then you're good. Then your emails won't be, end up in the spam folder because of that. So with that being said, highly recommend ClickMagick, especially so you know how to properly scale, so you're protected, so you can strategically buy traffic the right places and dump the places that don't suit you. Okay, so again, ClickMagick. I'll leave a link below this video where you can get ClickMagick. That's a 14-day trial. So when you go to this page, you can sign up here, and I'm going to show you which plan to go for and also how to use it. So I'd recommend just going with whatever suits you the best. The starter plan is good to get started with. If you really want to go hard in the beginning, you can of course choose this one, but I'd recommend just starting out with the cheap one. Okay, once you have your account, you'll get into a dashboard like this, and you can create a new link like so. And once you get your account, you will have a basic ClickMagick domain. I recommend setting up a custom domain, and there's tutorials. If you go to help and you go to tracking guide, there's also video tutorials. It will show you exactly how to set up a custom domain step by step. Very easy to do. Once you have that done, you're going to create a link, and I'm going to show you in this video how to put the pixel on your funnel, so that anytime you want to buy traffic, say from traffic guy number 1, then you create a new link for traffic guy number 1. Okay, let's just do that right now. So traffic guy 1. Okay, let's say you're buying traffic from traffic guy number 1. You create a link like this. This primary URL is where you put in the link to your squeeze page. So let's go to ClickFunnels. And for the easy MSI money system, the squeeze page is this page right here. because the purpose of buying traffic is to get people into the funnel so they can enter in the email and go through the system. So what you do is you go to the squeeze page, which is the first step here. You get your link right here. You go into ClickMagick and you paste your link like so. So let's create that link. And so this would be the link that you give out to people that you buy traffic from. So let me just type in, let me find the link. Traffic guy, okay. So this is the link you would give to whoever you buy traffic from. But before you do that, it's important to put in what's called a pixel, because that allows you to find out your opt-in rate for this specific source, and that will show up right here under under action. So if you send, let's say, 100 people to your squeeze page, or 1,000, let's say 1,000 people to your squeeze page, and if 500 of those people enter in their email, you will have a 50% opt-in rate. Hope that makes sense. So all we gotta do now is you go to Tools and you go to Tracking Pixels, and there's this thing called Pixel Builder. You click on this. So what do you want to track? In this case, we want to track action, and we can actually just leave it like this. We can leave it like this. Only thing we need to change is this one. Are you adding this pixel to a secure page? Click yes, because with ClickFunnels, as you can see, it's a secure page because it has this S. This stands for secure. Okay, so back to ClickMagick. Just click this one so it says yes, and scroll down, and this is our pixel right here. So this is a pixel, and a pixel is just an image that is 1 by 1, and that allows the system, the ClickMagick system, to understand that somebody entered in the email. So you're gonna copy this little pixel and go back to ClickFunnels, and we want to put the pixel on the page that they land on after opting in, which is this introduction page in this case. So you're going to go to this page, click on Edit Page, and this is very simple. Once this is done, it's set up for good, and very, very simple. So stick with me here. Simply go to the page after the opt-in, and what you do is that you go to Settings and you click on Tracking Code, and you see this is the header. If we go back to ClickMagick, you could go into learn how to set them up. I know that the best way is just put it in the header, so you don't have to go through this. You can simply just trust my word that you want to put it in here in the header. Paste the code. This is the pixel that I just copied before, and exit that and click on Save. So let's test it to see what I mean. If I go back to the link that we just created, let me just go back. Okay, so if I go to this link, as you can tell, let me just refresh. So right now there's nothing here, but if I go to this link, copy it, and I test to see if it works, it should take me to the squeeze page, which it does. Okay, and now if we go and refresh, we can also see that it should count the click. Right, so now we have one total click, one unique click. Okay, let me just go ahead and open up the link one more time. And this time I'm going to enter in any email. Okay, so now I'm entering in my email. I get to the page after the opt-in, and this is where I put in the pixel that you just saw. So if I go back to ClickMagick, it should tell me that the pixel had fired, and we can see that right under action. So let me refresh, and as you can see, it says somebody opted in. And so what we can tell from this is that we have a 100% opt-in rate, because there was one person, who is me in this case, who went on the page and opted in. So 1 out of 1 people, you know, got to the next page. Now it will say that 2 people clicked, or like total clicks, because I clicked it 2 times. So I hope that makes sense. When you have this, and when you have many clicks, you can see that exactly how many people opted in, exactly what your opt-in rate is for each traffic source. And so with this, you can actually find out who is the best choice when you go with traffic, to see how many leads you get from this source, how many leads do you get from that source. You can also go into this, if you click this little gear, you can go to traffic quality, and it will show you in depth how quality the traffic is. Now, since this is just 1 click, it's not really going to show anything. But once you get a lot of clicks going and more data, you can see how good the traffic is based on various factors. Very cool stuff. Very cool stuff. And last thing I want to show you is if we go to the link and if we click on Show Advanced Settings, there's some bad clicks right here. So it will actually flag all bots, servers, spiders, and other computers that is basically fake clicks. And so if you get any fake clicks, it will show up here under flagged. So if some people use some sort of scripts or other not so good traffic generating strategies in order to give you clicks, then you can tell exactly what's going on. So get ClickMagick if you want to be protected, and if you want to get a very in-depth insight into how good your traffic is when you buy traffic. It will save you so much headache and time and money for that matter. And you can get a free trial, so I'd highly recommend doing that. Just go with the cheap one. That's all you need. So with that being said, that's how you set up your links for traffic, and that's also how you set up your pixels so you're ready to track and test and get some traffic going. So with that being said, thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in another one.